What's up, guys? Good morning. Weather finally broke. It's still a little windy, but it's not as bad. We got a little bit of sunshine, partly cloudy. I gotta get this started. Same setup, some artificial, not some artificial, some live shrimp. I think I got everything I need, dude. So let's just get this started. It's damn interesting. The tide's nice and high right now. Huh. Dude, usually at this time, this is kind of exposed a little. Yeah, all right, let's do this. Hey guys, here we go, back at it. Fishing with sauce over here at Homestead Bayfront National Park. That's Biscayne. And I'm fishing right along, right here, this dock. I'm doing the chum. I got live shrimp in there. Trying to eat my chums stuff, like all the little bites. He's coming so close to me. Nice mangrove. I knew you guys were in there, dude. Jeez, it's taking forever. Hello, mangrove. Nice mang, baby. Yeah, buddy. Ow! Pretty mang, huh? Pretty mang. Nose again. Oh, that's deep. That's deep in the rock. Oh, fuck. Freaking mangs. Nice. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Nice, pretty little man. Nice. Nice. Oh. Nice, man. Alright, here we go. Dude, I had to tuck myself into this little corner, man. It's super windy. Look at this shit. Little dude. That's the chum. That's bringing in the really little ones. I gotta put it a little farther out, not so close to the slick. Yeah, buddy. Dude, totally missed that fight. Look at this mang, guys. Really nice. Beautiful. Woo-wee. Nice. Nice. This one's good. This one's good. Oh, yeah. Nice mang. Nice mang. Oh, shit. Not. Look at this. Holy smokes. Yeah, buddy. Ha ha. Nice, man. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at that man, guys. Beautiful thing. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. What do we got here? Nice. Look at that. Nice. Jeez, nice. There's some good ones here. You guys seen this? This is beautiful. Another 10 inches, right? Yeah. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, another 10 inches. Bye-bye. Nice. All right. This guy in the water. You are tiny. 7 inches. All right. Mang, another one. Ha ha. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Pretty little mang. Hi, guys. Say bye-bye. Yeah. Oh, look at the little one. I haven't caught a little snapper like this in a while. Oh, that's adorable. Look at the little snapper. Oh, that's gotta be my personal best, huh? No, I'm just kidding, dude. My personal best is small. Let go. I'll put you back in the water. That is a tiny little snapper, dude. Oh, there we go again. There's another one. Oh, oh. Yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. Nice. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Oh, a fat one. Dude, you're like super chunky. You're a fat snapper. Man, look at this fatty buffatti. Okay. Whoo! See what we got in here. Oh, hi. What's up, massive mangrove? Look at those two monsters. Beautiful. The stuff that nobody sees. Packing up, cleaning up, rigging up, cleaning bait, cleaning fish, cooking fish. So much stuff that doesn't really get, you know, publicized or, you know, put out there too much. All the hard work it takes to get these wonderful videos to everybody. You know, it's not easy, that's for sure. Ha! I gotta straighten this out. All right. What time is it? 1:46. Perfect.